Hi, I'm Shamshad Walker. I'm a marketing consultant and I'm based in West Bridgford in Nottingham. I've been working with businesses for over 14 years, supporting them with their marketing. The idea around the Marketing Club is to bring some businesses together to learn about the marketing. It will run for 6 months. Each month the businesses come together for an in-person workshop, and the workshop is designed so there's a bit of presentation from me, but a lot of time where you work on your marketing, discuss ideas, discuss experiences, have your laptop there, and it's very active, lots of drawing and colouring just to make it fun as well. And then in between each of the workshops there's a one-to-one coaching session with me so that we can look at what you're actually going to do in that month, and in a way I can hold you to account to make sure that you do take your business forward and your marketing forward. We've got a mix really of businesses that have just started and really want to kind of learn about marketing from scratch and understand how to kind of give their business a bit of a push and acceleration forward. I've also got more established businesses that want to refresh their marketing skills and also just understand what's new in marketing because it's always changing. The Marketing Club I've been running so far has been really great fun. It's energised everybody in the room, including me, but I want you to hear from them. So this is what some of the participants have to say.
So I joined the Marketing Club really because despite having 30 years in the corporate world, I knew nothing about marketing and was starting my own business. Shamshad came highly recommended and it's been great so far. It's a great mixture of Shamshad giving you her knowledge but then holding you to account to make sure you do the things that you say you're going to do, and that's great.
It's been amazing. I set up my business in 2008, so it's an established business, but it's just me, and I think it's very easy to get into patterns of behaviour, to do the same things over and over again and to expect the same results from them. And of course things move on, the world moves on, and marketing has certainly moved on. So as a refresher to bring me right up to date, to challenge my ideas of what I'm doing and to help me plan new effective things, it's been so positive.
For anybody interested in joining the Marketing Club, just have a look on my website or give me a call and we can have a chat.